Hey Mountain Kids, this is for you, grade level 3. You're the mammal. And one of the stranger mammal groups, are bats. And I know that you have likely already studied them, possibly around Halloween. But they are a very important mammal. Number one, they are the only truly flying mammal. Flying squirrels obviously can glide, but they don't fly like a bat does. So they are the only flying mammal that we have up in Plumas County. And we have several kinds of bats in our area. This is a short-eared bat. And the type that it's known as, or the genus, which is one of the categories or the ways that scientists categorize different species, is called, the species is Myotis. Myotis. I'm just going to lift him up. This guy I found actually in my workshop at my, and so he was already dead, very dried out. You can see he's stiff as a board, but he's very, very light. And so I just wanted to give you a little bit of a look. You can see how short his ears are here in the front. His wings are a little bit twisted around. He can't really make good use of, it doesn't look like a living bat at all. It's pretty dried and what they call desiccated, dried out. And he's very flat on the bottom as well, but you can see his nose. And of course it doesn't so much smell its way around, but it uses echolocation when it flies, like its own little form of radar, to find its way, because its sense of sight is not what it uses at night or at dusk, when it's getting dark, to fly around and find all those insects. Very important. Some bats are pollinators, but they also eat a lot of the insect population, especially the ones that we're not really excited about. And so that includes mosquitoes. But a few of the things to look at here, besides what I'm showing you right now, is that here's his wing. And you want to be careful. This is really dried out, so I can't really, if I try and pull this wing open, it will actually, it'll break. But what you can see on the end of this is basically one of its legs. And so one of its legs is a wing. And that's why it's got these little hook graspers here on the end of the wing. And then if we look up this way, it's kind of hard to do this because he is so stiff. You can see that also very much on this other wing over here. So just something to show you here. I wish I could share a little bit more. We could see a little more. If we could get to the eye.